What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Tech World YouTube channel, and this video is on how we guys can log into Exodus. But before that, for those people who do not know Exodus is a crypto wallet. So if you do not know what crypto wallet is, so basically if you guys don't in your wallet, you guys can store money, right? Then basically, crypto wallet is a digital wallet where you guys can store your crypto. Alright, so that's basically what Exodus is. It's a crypto wallet. So let me show you guys how you guys can log into it. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. Any others the app version of Exodus as well. So if you guys want to log in from app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store and log in from it as well. But this video is on how you guys can do it from website, but from website and app it's same. The only difference is in website you need to search for Exodus and click on the first link over here. In app you just need to download it. Alright, so after downloading the app, it's going to ask you for do you want to create your account or do you want to log in, so you just want to click on login to log in into Wallen like your website version. What you want to do is want to click on the first thing. After you do that, basically what you want to do is you want to click on where it says Desktop Wallet over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now once you have here, just need to click on download. After that, basically your Exodus is going to start to download, so I'm going to click on download over here and download. Now after I downloaded, basically I need to open my Exodus, so I need to wait for some time until it downloads. After it downloaded, you need to install Exodus and open it like this. After you open it, you need to wait for some time until it fully loads up. As you guys can see, it fully loaded up. Now after it opens up, you need to click on this over here, portfolio. After you click on portfolio, click on restore from backup, which means if you guys already have a wallet, you want to click on it. So you need to click on restart over here, because to enter into your old wallet, you need to restart your Exodus first. Alright, so it's restarting. So you need to wait for some time. And after it restarts, you need to enter your 12-word phrase. So if you guys don't know what this is, then basically when you're creating an Exodus wallet, it's going to give you a 12-word phrase. If you guys do not remember those phrase, then basically you guys can open your wallet. But if you remember it, then you need to type the phrases over here according to the arrangement it's given to you. The first word should be in the first column. The second word should be in the second column like this. You need to type all those phrases over here correctly, then basically you will be logging into your account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log into your Exodus wallet. So you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.